We're Easily Eco, a plastic-free business set up by 3 of us. Unfortunately, there's only 2 of us at the moment. We set up Easily Eco through the £100 challenge, which is a challenge set up through the university. We took this as an opportunity to kind of set up our business and brainstorm ideas with the entrepreneurial team. We've had loads of support from the university and have since been involved in lots of other competitions. So we were involved in the Big Pitch as well, where we won money to go towards the expansion of our product range as well as marketing for our business.
We expanded our products then to the products which you can see here. So originally we were only selling toothbrushes and scourers and stuff, and now we've expanded to a wide range of products.
Myself and Joe, we never thought we'd ever have a business when we started uni, and it was one of those things. Joe studies business management and I studied geography, and Joe noticed things going up on the entrepreneurial Facebook page and saw that there was workshops to become an entrepreneur, so we thought we'll take our chances and go. That's where we met Kelly, and she told us about the £100 challenge, and then it really started from there. Any tips I give people is utilise everything that you've got with your university, because there is so much to offer, and we wouldn't really have our business without everything that we attended.
For my biggest learning point is actually applying the knowledge which I've learned through my degree into a real life business case. All the courses I've done from accounting to marketing, I've had to apply them to this business, and which has really enabled me then to develop my personal skills and also pass it on to the other team members.
On campus there is a plastic-free shop now, and they are actually stocking our bamboo straws. As we've both got full-time jobs at the moment, we're both readjusting to new adult life and running a business on the side. So it's reassuring to know that outside of all of this, we're selling our products on campus as well.